Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Roblox Game Development. In today's episode, we're going to begin the biggest project we've ever started and made in this series, and we're going to be making a sort of mini-game place. What this game will do is it'll actually take everything we've ever learned and throw it into one ginormous project. And we're also going to have this project, this project's also going to teach us a lot of new stuff. First thing we're going to do today is, we're going to make a leaderboard, for the game, and we are going to make at least the beginnings of a lobby. So let's go to workspace, and we already have leaderboard giverness, which currently gives a small leaderboard. We're going to want to change that here in a minute. After, of course, I change the text size of this to 20 and close. Alright, that's fine. Alright, so we've got points.name, points.value, points.parent. We're going to keep, I'm sorry about that. We're going to keep points, but we're also going to add in one more variable. We're going to copy this, paste it, and we're going to call it wins. Okay? So it'll just be how many times does the player win. And we'll actually put this before the points because wins are more important than points. We'll set the value to 0, wins, and there we go. Alright. So in this script, what we're doing is whenever a player joins the game, we're connecting a function which takes the player, we're creating their leader stats, putting the stats in the player, and ending. Now we're going to make a simple lobby, which we are actually going to end up using this shop GUI, by the way, for this mini game-like place. So first, though, we do actually need to make our lobby. So insert a part, make sure the part is anchored, and then I'm going to change the bottom surface to smooth and the top surface to inlet. Alright, now we're just going to make this lobby on top of our base plate for now. So let's go ahead, in a lobby, I say we make it, this is a very basic lobby, about as basic as in paintball. So we're going to move this, there we go. And we're going to make the transparency set to 0.75. Ooh, that's actually way too much. Let's try 0.45. Is that a bit better? Let's see. If we move this away from that base plate. Yeah, you can see through that. That works. Alright. And now on top of, and that's just so people can see the games going on below them. Then we're going to make another copy of it. Come on, fit correctly. 4 studs long, because dynamic lighting now does not penetrate through walls. There are at least 4 studs long. We're going to change the transparency of this to 0 completely. Alright. And let's make the height around, I don't know, 18. There we go. Copy and paste that. Move it over here. Copy and paste that. Twist it. Shrink it down a lot so we can fit it in here. We can always resize it to fit. Copy and paste that. Is it just me? No, that's right. Okay. We're going to use this tool up here, which makes moving things a lot easier. We have not done like real building in this series in forever, have we? No, we haven't. Alright, and then on the very top we'll crown it with a I'm saying pitch black roof. Enter, and we'll go smooth, and the bottom surface, which is where the players are, will be studs. So this is the inside of our lobby. We're gonna Next, we're going to throw in some spawn locations. So we're going to take this spawn location and we're going to move it in here. Now, here's the thing about game development. When you make a game in Roblox, you want to keep a style to your game. In this game, we're going to keep a very basic style to our building. So we're not going to change these spawn locations at all. And the reason for that is to keep up with the design and overall look of the game. We're just going to place them places. You could make them look super fancy, but it's not always useful. So now let's grab all these, then move around here, group all of this together, and name it lobby. Now we're going to take this and skyrocket it up. And now press F6 because we don't really need our leader stats yet. We know it'll work. And we're going to see how this looks. That look good, guys? For a basic lobby? I like it because the inlet makes it more obvious that it's a floor. But you can still see through it very easily. So any suggestions you guys have for mini games we could make, please post them in the comments below. We are going to make an entire mini game place. That's all this is going to be, is mini games, with a larger goal in mind of getting wins and points to purchase things in the shop. Alright? So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or the dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I will catch you guys later.